Hi everyone, I'm Lauren. I have ADHD and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm finishing up the top of Verna's cabinet body. If you don't know what that means, check out part 1 here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe. Check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. The best method really seems to be sanding until my hand gets tired and then scraping until it's too smooth to scrape anymore. And there's that mineral spirit rag again. It's only lightly saturated, but I should still be wearing gloves. Bad Lauren! Let's see if the underside has anything else to give up yet. Hey, look who finally got smart. Turns out mineral spirits will eat rubber gloves, but not nitrile exam gloves. So this means I can finally go back to really dousing this with mineral spirit. Okay, it's finally time to give this part some oil. Once again, I want to give it as much as it will take, but not leave any excess on top, because boiled linseed oil will become a horrible sticky mess if left to its own devices. I gave up on getting all the brown off of the underside. It's at least less horrible, and as I'm sure the person who painted it thought, it's not really going to be seen by anyone ever. And then after oiling both sides, this part of the cabinet is done and I'm ready to move on to the next bit. So with that said, if you have a hobby you think I should try, drop it in the comments along with any useful bits of advice or thoughts on the video. I'll see you Friday where I'll start on the next part of the cabinet. Love you!